So here we are with it, LA Dodgers necklace. This is what I got so far. So we're gonna get in here with it, put blue one on, do another white one, another blue one, what we got so far. What we got. So yeah, LA Dodgers. We'll put one of these on there. Put a white one like this. So far it's what we got. I forget I'm not supposed to have the music. Any hoozle. So, beads go in here. Got that going. Yep, that's what we got going so far in there. That's what we got so far. Come along. See what this is about. Okay. You want me to put some of these on there, so we're going to go ahead and do some of these too, because we want some of these on there. Alright. You know, something like that funky looking one there. Ha ha ha. And some of these small blue ones. So I'm doing right here with this. So I got so far going. So see here what we got. Got one of these I want to put on here. One of these nice ones, like that. Alright, and now we're gonna go with one of these. Alright, now we're going to go with, that's what we got, if I can see it. We're going to go with something with, yeah, I'll go with one of these right here. Go with one of these, yeah, just like that. So we'll go with one of these. I'm doing right here. Alright, we'll go with that one. Alright. Got it all. Watch out on there. Yep. Alright, here we go. Let's put another one of these. These watch-alls. I call them watch-alls because they will go watch-on through the air. I know, I'm a silly person. I'm a silly goose. I love you. Yeah, Jamie. He says the shoot heart will love you. Give you what you need. And do what you do to them now. So I'm gonna put a white one on here. Okay, a white one on here. Now this is gonna be a big necklace now. I'll tell you what, big necklace. All right, but it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a big necklace. Yep. All right, so we're gonna do our part here. Let's get over here to these wachas. Putting our wachas on here like this for our charm, our LA Dodgers charm here. I'm gonna put it on there, you know, just in case you're wondering what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. I'm getting them all lined out for that. So that's what we got for that so far. Yep. So we got. Right, so we're gonna say what I need. We got this one. Ooh, lots of pretty different colors. I need to make him. I think this will work. We'll find out. Or I'll have to make him one, and I will show you all. Got these today. Oh yeah. So all I got is these and these now. Stepped it up a notch. So we got. We gotta grab it, but that's gonna work for that, so I'll put it on here in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and on my way here, because that's what we're doing. We're on our way on. So like as I started the white there, put one of these on, keeping the same pattern. Like how I did on this side. I'm doing the same thing. So got that. Okay, so we got this one, and I don't have another one like this, so I'm gonna throw something in there that will work. Something. I picked one out. Wait, I don't know. We'll see here. Okay, so yeah. Okay. There we go. Put that one there. Alright, now we got a blue one here. And we got another round white one. Alright. That's what we got. Going. Alright, yep, got our blue one. Oh, now we're gonna do our white one here. And then we do our watchas on here. Watcha, watcha, watchas. Yeah, just like that. Our watchas on there. Watchas. Watchas. Watch out on there. Better watch out on. Coming right along with this one. Now watch out on there, see? Coming right along with it, right up back up the other side here. Getting that on there. Getting our watch holes on. Right back up. Just like I have it going down this side, I'm going right back up the same with the other. Getting our beads. Watch holes on there. I'm just going back over it real quick, making sure. We just go back over and check everything out. Make sure. Yep, I'm right where I'm supposed to. Watch on it. Watch on here. Got it all set up. Just like up the other side here. It's all the same. I'm right here with it. So whereabouts is where I'm at. Still watch on. I believe we're watch on though. Just about. See? Putting the last one on. So we're still watch on here. Yeah. Oh, watch all these. Watch all these. We gotta watch out some of these. Oh yeah, we got that. We got. Yeah. We gotta watch out one of these right here and a couple of these. A couple of these. We're gonna watch all right around with all that because we're watch on at the end. So you know how we do. Get our crimp beads. Put them up on there like so. Watch all. Watch all. And get our hoop. Watch all. And we watch all around like so. Watch all it in there. Sometimes you gotta do a little extra watch all to get it in there. So we get our tools. Watch all right on there. Oh. Well, we're gonna have to watch all it down a little bit before I can do that. I guess that watch all's wanting to come out the bottom there on me. That's alright. You know what? It didn't want to watch all too much. So we gotta watch all this watch all. So show you a little trick. Take your round pliers. If you can get it in there, I'm pretty shaky. Okay. chawed like that. You see how that worked? I grabbed the other wire and just pulled with this one, holding down to the surface of the desk here. Yep, I wall chawed like that, and it wall chawed. Wall chawed, like so. I ain't crimped it or nothing yet, because I'm just trying to get it over here, you know, set up more better and nicer. So we're going to do like so. I'm going to pull her good and tight. Oh, it wall chawed on me. It wants to wall chaw on me. But we'll get this wall chawed. We got her wall chawed. Okay. Take these ones. Crimp it all down. Crimp, crimp, crimp. I like these crimpers. Or pliers, whatever you want to call them. So you think she's good and wall chawed? Because she's got to be good and wall chawed. Remember that. So I think I'm wall chawed the heck out of this one. That's good though. Alright. We're good to go, I believe. I just pulled on it. It ain't going nowhere. It's wall chawed. So I'm going to cut this. We're going to wall chaw this. Yeah, wall chawed. Anywho, got our wall chawed up here like so. Yep. We're going to watch all the charm on. We'll be all done. We'll take a look at it, and you all will have a nice, blessed day. Have a glorious day. Yeah, see how I done that? Because I bent it. All I did is grip it with these, and then I just bent it. Because I'm strong like that. There we go. Bent up there. It's all wall chawed. Make sure it's good and close. What I made, I wall chawed it. I wall chawed it. That's what I made. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you. You know, please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Thank you, thank you, thank you.